Hello, today we are making a dinner combo with incredibly tender chicken patties, fluffy buckwheat kasha, and a vibrant, delicious beet and prune salad. Let's start with the beets. Wash them well, place them in water, bring it to a boil, and cook them for about an hour. While our beets are cooking, let's tackle the buckwheat kasha. First, wash the grain well. The next step is my grandmother's secret. Put the washed buckwheat into a dry pan and toast it until the water evaporates. This step isn't mandatory, but toasting the grains helps reveal their rich, nutty flavor and helps shorten the cooking time. For 2 cups of grains, we are adding about 5 cups of water, enough to cover the grains by about an inch. Bring it to a boil, add salt. I would advise to try it. Water should be slightly salted. I added 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then turn the heat down to low. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check the bottom. You see there is still some water left, and I will give it another 5 to 10 minutes to cook under the lid. When all the water is absorbed, turn off the heat, add a generous knob of butter, put the lid back on, and actually it's ready to eat. My grandma would wrap it in a blanket to steam, but I'm just leaving it on the hot stove with the lid closed for another 15-30 minutes. Now for the tender chicken patties, I'm using chicken breast 1 kilogram, but you can take any meat you like, onion 400 grams, bread 300 grams, and breadcrumbs. So the best ratio is 2 parts of meat, 1 part of onion, and 1 part of bread. Means meat, onion, and bread. I soaked bread in water for 15 minutes, then squeezed out the excess and ground it up with the meat and onion. Adding onions and soaked breads is the secret of creating patties that are exceptionally juicy, tender, and fluffy. Add salt and pepper and mix everything very well. Approximately for a minute, I throw the minced meat around in the bowl so it gets a uniform consistency and cracks will not form later in the cooking process. To prevent the mix from sticking to your hands, keep a bowl of cold water nearby to wet your hands before forming each patty. Use your hand to scoop and form the patties. I throw it from hand to hand to help shape it and keep uniform. Then roll them in a little breadcrumbs or flour for a crust. Pan fry until golden brown on both sides. Altogether, we made 18 patties. You can cover them with the lid in the pan and fry until it's fully cooked, but I'm putting these on a baking tray and put them into the oven at 400 degrees of Fahrenheit for just 10 minutes to make sure it's fully cooked. Let's slice one. See how it is incredibly tender and juicy. Our final piece is the vibrant beet salad. The beets should be ready now. I'm checking them with a knife. Let them cool and peel them. Pour some boiling water over half cup of dried prunes and let them soak for 15 minutes to soften. Then chop the prunes and half cup of walnuts, press few cloves of garlic and grate beets. In a bowl, combine the grated beets, chopped prunes, chopped walnuts, and pressed fresh garlic. Add your mayonnaise and mix it all together. A little salt to taste, and that's it. The sweetness of prunes, the crunch of the walnuts, and the tang of the garlic are incredible. And there you have it. Our complete, hearty, and flavorful dinner is ready. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.